First step, open the bag, pick up the wire strip, insert the cable to the right hole, rotate about 3 to 5 rounds. The jacket can be easily removed. Step 2. Order the wires on T568B sequence, which will show on screen. Then cut and keep the wires in a line. After you order the wires, it's very important to continue the work. Step 3. Take a RJ45 plug and a cover from the plastic box. Pop the cable through the cover. Insert the wires into the plug. After that, use the crimping tool with the 8P hole to squeeze the plug. Check the fitness. If there's no problem, lift the cover. Finally, you make a connector successfully. Repeat all the steps to make another connect. A network cable is ready. Then we need to test if it works well. We need a 9 voltage battery and the cable tester, which is in the bag. Connect the battery to the test. Insert one connect to a way, but another to another way. And turn on. If you see the light appears one by one, it means the cable works well. If not, you need to check or remake again.